welcome back. It's been a really long time since I've made a video, but today I decided it's about time that I color coordinate my laptop organizer. Now let me show you what it looks like right now. If you look inside, this is what it looks like. And a lot of times my kids don't plug things in because, as you can see, this one does not have a laptop to charge because the kids plug them into the incorrect laptop, which leads to me not having my laptops charged the next day, which is driving me a bit crazy. So I'm going to go ahead and use Gaffer Tape so that we know where to plug in our laptop. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So these are the colors that I'm going to be using, and I'm gonna go ahead and do pink, yellow, blue, orange, green, pink, yellow, blue, orange, green. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all my pinks first, and then I'm gonna move on to the next color.
In every life we have some trouble, but when you worry you make it double. Don't worry, be happy, don't worry, be happy now.
To be honest, that took longer than I expected, but I'm so happy that I got it done, and I can't wait to try it tomorrow. So I will let you guys know how it goes. See you then.